starting to use R or RStudio, what you need to do is get it on your computer or other device. Now, if you are using a computer, there are two ways on how you can get RStudio. One way is to download it and install it to your computer, and the other way is to create an account in the RStudio cloud. Now, if you want to download it to your computer, you will need to do two things. First, you will need the R engine. So you get the R engine. The easiest way to do it is to go to CRAN. So this stands for the Comprehensive R Archive Network, and download it from here. The link is here, and the links should be provided close to this video. So this is the first step. You select your operating system. For example, if you are running a Windows computer, you download R for Windows. In the archive, you will always have the latest version of R. So don't worry about versions. Here, if you go here and select base or install R for the first time, you just select it here, install R for the first time, and just download it and then install it following all the instructions. Now, this is a necessary step to use the RStudio. So you need R base engine in order to run the RStudio. Now, you can use R with just this, so you don't need the studio overlay for it. However, I would really recommend that you use RStudio overlay to R, because it's much easier and much more user-friendly than the base version. So for the RStudio, you go then to rstudio.com, and in the product section here, you go to so open source RStudio, select RStudio Desktop, and download the open source edition of the RStudio Desktop. So you again select download and just go with the free version. Again, know what your operating system for your computer is. As you can see here, this is available for a wide range of different operating systems. So just select the one that applies for you and download this. Install it following the instructions, and you are set up to use the RStudio. The other option is to go to rstudio.cloud and sign up here for a free account. You can sign up, so the possibility is so for a free account. Now, the downside of RStudio Cloud is that you are a little bit limited. So you are limited to the number of projects you can have open at the same time, and the number of hours you can use it. So essentially, this is not running on your device, whatever the device is, but it's running on their cloud. And they will only allow you to host there for free for a limited amount of time, and of course also using the limited amount of computer power and disk space as well. Now, if you're using this for a course, for example, the one offered at School of Economics and Business Ljubljana, this should be enough for your purposes. If this is not enough, you can go and download the desktop version, or you can buy a premium account. So that's another option. Now, of course, the advantages of the RStudio Cloud is you will always have the latest versions, so you don't need to worry about the updates. It's a little less stressful. It runs on all devices, so you can use it also on your smartphone or tablet. And as I said, so the downside is you have a limited time. But in any case, if you are following this video because you are participating in a course, I would suggest that what you do now is you sign up for a free version here of the cloud, and we can get going.